idol. So for today's video, I'm gonna share to you, we're going to test the maximum speed test of Blade X electric scooter. In this maximum speed test, I will show you the different types of speed from gear 1, gear 2, and gear 3. And also I will include the timer, so in order to see how many seconds it can reach in the maximum speed. But before I proceed, a special shout out to okay guys, so if you are new in this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button for you to be updated for my upcoming videos. I will show you the maximum speed in gear 1, turbo dual motor. Okay guys, so let's do this. So in gear 1, the maximum speed is 44 in a display, 45 in a display. So not bad for gear 1, 45 kilometers per hour. So later on I will show you the maximum speed in a GPS with my GoPro Hero 8. Okay guys, so now I will show you the maximum speed in gear 2, turbo dual motor. Okay guys, so let's do this. $57, $58, 58 kilometers per hour. So that is the maximum speed in dual motor turbo gear 2. Okay, so now let's try the maximum speed test of Blade X electric scooter turbo gear 3 dual motor. Okay guys, so let's do this. Okay, so now I will try again the turbo gear 3 dual motor. Okay guys, so let's do this. Okay guys, so let's do this. I therefore conclude that the maximum speed of a Blade X electric scooter is 73 kilometers per hour. That is GPS. And also for gear 2 in display, the maximum speed is 58 kilometers per hour. And for the gear 1, the maximum speed is 45 kilometers per hour. So day 2 of our review about the Blade X electric scooter. So this time we will test the maximum range of Blade X. So I will use a turbo gear 3 dual motor. Okay, so as you can see, the battery voltage is 66.5, and I will use the GPS, the Relive app, to get the exact record of this test. So to get the exact record of your range, it must be 75 kilograms with a speed of 25 kilometers per hour, stable, and in a flat road also. So this time I will use turbo gear 3 dual motor because that is usually I'm using with my any scooter like Blade 10 or Blade 10 Evo. So let's test how many kilometers it can reach the Blade X electric scooter. By the way guys, the battery of Blade X Pro electric scooter is 23.4 Chinese battery, grade A cell. So based on manual, the maximum range of Blade X electric scooter is 80 kilometers. So now let's test how many kilometers it can reach with the settings of with the maximum mode of Gear 3 turbo dual motor. My route for this test is I will try to go in Alrim. There is a long bridge there, so I will check where is that place so that I can test my Wolf King GT Pro for maximum speed. Okay, so and I will try to go also in Hodairat if possible. So let's check. Bridge, so I already find this bridge. So as you can see guys, very straight road. So in this place I will try my Kaabo Wolf King GT Pro for the maximum speed test. So for now, my record for the range test of my Blade X electric scooter is 9.8 kilometers with the timing of 38 minutes and 40 seconds, and my battery is 4 bar 62.6. Okay, so I will try to go now in Hodairat. Hodairat Bike Park. So far this is my record from Alrim to Hodairat. So this is my record 35.3 kilometers with a timing of 1 hour and 38 minutes. So here it's still a 3 bar and my battery voltage is 58.58. Okay, so that is the record. So now my next route, I will try to go in Adnek, and then after that I will go in Pineapple Building. Okay. Grand Mosque, at the backside of Grand Mosque. So far this is my record, 50 kilometers with a timing of 2 hours and 14 minutes and 58 seconds, and this is my battery bar, 2 bar. Okay, so my next route, I will try to go in Anantara. Almost near in Hodairat Bridge. So I already reached my battery cut off, so I will show you. So as you can see, battery drop. So I already reached a 48 volts. That's why there is no power. That is a battery drop. So this is my record, 61 kilometers with a timing of 3 hours and 18 minutes. So that is the maximum range of a Blade X electric scooter. So this test I use a gear 3 turbo dual motor. So it's very far from my place, so I need to find a taxi.
One eternity later.
Okay guys, so that is my problem now. It's hard to find the taxi, so I need to go. I'm almost near in Hodairat bridge, so I need to walk. I will check where I can find the taxi. I already find a taxi here, and after 10 minutes I find already the taxi. So I'm really tired because I almost walk around 2 kilometers. So this is also the advantage of a Blade X electric scooter, is you can put easily inside the car because the frame is a little bit shorter. At least I can go home now.
Dance.